Hey guys, Jason here, Legendary Automotive and Truck Service. Today in the shop we've got a 2007 Corvette. This vehicle came in for a shift interlock issue. During our general inspection we went over the vehicle. We did find a couple other common issues. One being an oil pan gasket leak, the other being harmonic balancer failure. If you own a Corvette, you've probably heard of this. This is the harmonic balancer assembly. You can see this rubber here that separates two separate pieces of this is one unit, but these are actually two separate pieces, and it's dampened by this rubber bushing in here. When this bushing starts to let go, you will get a vibration in your belt system. You will see it, you will not feel it. You cannot feel a vibration in the car, whether at high RPM or at idle. Sometimes it's accompanied by a belt squeak. Unfortunately, when these completely fail, this will separate into two pieces. Obviously your belts come off, this big hunk of steel falls down in the engine bay. It does do some devastating damage. We've seen hoses cut, we've seen radiators damaged, radiator fans get damaged. So if this is something that's plaguing your Corvette, definitely come to Legendary, check us out. It is a very common issue. This vehicle, again, had an oil pan gasket leak, and because the chassis has to be removed to replace this harmonic balancer, as well as repair the oil pan gasket leak, we were able to do both jobs in one day by removing the chassis. To do this, it does require special tools. You do need a harmonic balancer puller kit and an installer tool, which is also a separate tool. So we remove the front chassis from this vehicle, remove the oil pan, we clean the mess, new oil pan gasket, new harmonic balancer, new belts, reinstalled everything and performed an alignment. The customer was happy that we were able to bring this to his attention because, again, driving it every day to and from work or going out to get ice cream, he didn't know that this was an issue. We essentially, by telling him about this, we could have saved him thousands of dollars in repairs if this had let go.